When it comes to hiring the right fit for your bathroom remodel, there's a lot of important things to consider. Being really familiar with the team and checking reviews, getting to know their process and people that you can really trust. With remodeling, there are things that can come up that are unexpected. You want a team to be able to problem solve in the client's best interest and not just kind of show up day to day to get the job just done. It's really about making sure we're doing everything the right way. We so often do get unfortunate phone calls, maybe from someone looking for help because they've already hired out someone who didn't finish the job right, or they're in a really bad situation with like leaks and no one there to fix the problem and they're kind of just stuck. So I do like to point out that with KCBR, if there is ever an issue, let's say after the project's totally complete, we do have a 2-year warranty. We look at it like every client is like a long-term client of ours. We want to be that client's like first call for anything that comes up after that project we've completed for them. With that said, we're going to take care of our clients and want to, of course. The 2-year warranty in place. If there were to be a leak, you guys call in. We're going to get our plumber out there. We don't like things lingering. We are quick to respond, quick to take action to get that taken care of. Or let's say you come there's a product issue. One of the big things about KCBR is our vendor relationships. This allows us to ensure we're going with product that's quality. And if there's a problem, these vendors, their values are aligned with ours. They are also quick to take care of that problem. So we are able to help support you through that. We can get directly in touch with the vendor account that we have a good relationship with, and then help them get out to replace that product and go through that smoothly. Everything about hiring KCBR is we are held accountable for your project. And that is not after, we walk out the door for your finished walkthrough at the very end. This is a continuous relationship with us that we are honored that you choose to support KCBR and believe in us in the first place for your project. When you are ready for a bathroom remodel project, we'd love for you to give us a call and we'll start talking through all the things you're looking to achieve. But know that when you hire KCBR, you're hiring a really trustworthy team that has your best interests from day one.